how to add code to your Wix website header. So for this, all we have to do is log in into our Wix dashboard. And here from the left hand side, we're going to scroll down until we see the option for settings and click on settings. Once we're taken to this page, we want to scroll all the way down until we're able to see the advanced section and custom code. Add custom code snippets to the head or body of your site. Just click on here, and if you have the premium plan of Wix, you will be able to select add custom code, and the next steps are these. So we have to click on add custom code, then we will paste the code snippet in the text box, and we can set a name for the code itself. Then we will choose add code to pages, and we can choose a specific page, and we will be able to choose where we get to place the code. So for example, we can place it in the head. So if we want to add it to our header, we will place it in the head, and then we will select apply, and that's how you add a custom code to your Wix website header. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time.